In 2021, animal rescuers in Victoria, Australia came across a remarkable and unusual sight, a mysterious woolly creature wandering through a public park. Covered in years' worth of thick, matted fleece, the sheep, later named Barack, could barely see or move under the weight of his own coat. The team from Edgar's Mission, a non-profit sanctuary dedicated to rescuing farm animals, recognized the urgency of the situation. Barack's overgrown wool had collected dirt, twigs, grass, and even bugs, making it extremely difficult for him to survive in the wild. This case highlighted the risks domestic sheep face when they are left unshorn, as selective breeding over thousands of years has prevented them from naturally shedding their wool like their wild ancestors once did. Without human intervention, their fleece can grow uncontrollably, threatening their health and mobility. Barack's story drew comparisons to other famous woolly sheep who had gone unnoticed in the wild for years. Shrek, a New Zealand sheep discovered in 2005, became a national sensation when his 59-pound fleece was finally sheared after evading capture for 6 years. Tasmania's Shaun, discovered in 2014, carried over 50 pounds of matted wool, requiring 20 minutes to shear instead of the usual 2, and his coat could have made dozens of sweaters and hundreds of pairs of socks. Even Chris, an Australian sheep rescued in 2015, held the record with almost 90 pounds of wool removed in a 45-minute shearing session, transforming his life completely. These stories underline the extreme challenges that overgrown sheep face and the life-saving importance of regular shearing. When rescuers finally approached Barack, they were met with more than just an overgrown coat. He was severely malnourished, struggling to find food with his eyes nearly obscured, and had dozens of grass seeds embedded in his skin along with a wound near his eye. Shearing him was a delicate process, monitored closely to avoid health complications such as a stroke or heart attack due to the stress of removing so much heavy wool. Barack's 77 pounds fleece, although impressive, was too matted and dirty to be used for clothing, yet its removal drastically improved his mobility, vision, and overall health. Under the attentive care of Edgar's Mission, Barack received proper nutrition, medical treatment, and a secure environment, allowing him to recover physically and emotionally from years of hardship. Today, Barack thrives at the sanctuary, where he lives among other sheep and gradually learns to live a normal life again. He enjoys a proper diet of chaff and grains and has formed bonds with fellow sheep, guided by experienced members of the flock like Chloe. Barack's journey is a testament to the resilience of animals and the transformative power of human compassion. Edgar's Mission uses stories like his to inspire understanding, empathy, and kindness toward all living beings, reminding us that every creature deserves care, protection, and the opportunity for a second chance at life. Through Barack's story, the world sees how attention, patience, and love can truly change the fate of even the most overlooked animals.